Hi friends, we are meet after a period of long time. We now from the 15th of the June, our next year school is start. Means you are now going to the second standard. And in this year also, like last year, we do all activities in our school. We learn the things, we play the sport, we have the picnic, we have the science day, and fun of many things. But up to the September, we meet through this offline videos. This is nothing but the actual class. I write the matter on the board. You return this board matter as a classwork, like you write before, and listen my video carefully. That's why you have the idea about this content. And then I will give you the homework to complete your homework later on, and then send to the mobile. So after completion of this period, I will give a simple answer sheet related to this topic. So you fill this work sheet within the half an hour and send to the us. Then we move towards our first chapter. That is which is our first chapter? Our first chapter is our environment. When you look at the picture in a book, in your book, I send you the PDF. So you see the pictures. Which are the pictures? The first picture is of boys. Then second is right. This is the tree, coconut tree. Then this is the structure of the stone. This is stone, and lastly the sun in the sky. These are the four types of material found in our surrounding. So which things move on their own accord, need food, they have feelings and other things? Guess it. Yes, your guess is correct. The boy and the tree need a food, they move on their own accord, they have a feelings, they reproduce, and they show the different characters from apart from these two. These are also the part of our environment, part of our surrounding. But these are not move on their own accord, they do not need food and many things. Means the matter in our surrounding is not same. So which are the matter in our surrounding? We see. Let me. I will tell. The matter found in our surrounding is stone. This is the stone. This is matter we find in our surrounding. Then the second thing is water. Water is also found in our surrounding. And then this is the plant. And the myself is an animal, or the dogs, cat, tiger, a lion. From insect to the elephant, we found the different kind of animals. So these are the matters in our surrounding. Also we find this is the bottle we found in our surrounding, and this is the talcum powder. This is also found in our surrounding. This matter is also found in our surrounding. In the same way, this pen is also found in our surrounding, and my cloth is found in my surrounding. Why I am showing you the things? The things: stone, fruits, flowers, then the plant. This is the seeds. All these are the matter which is found naturally in the nature, and this matter is nothing but the natural things. The things which found naturally in the nature are said to be the natural things. So which are the natural things? Plants and animals, fruits, all these are the natural things. And which are the man-made things? The things which are made by the man. That things is called the man-made things. This bottle is made by the man, so it is considered as the man-made things. And this is the pen. This is also made by the man, so this is also the man-made things. In this way, our environment consists air, water, soil, plants, birds, animals, sun, moon, buildings, vehicles, fan in our surrounding, and all this makes our environment. So in this chapter, after next period, up to the next period, we know about the various factors of the environment. Thank you.